If you're looking to offer competitive salaries that attract top talent globally, Oyster is the game-changing tool you need. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Oyster to manage and scale competitive compensation packages for your team, no matter where they're located. Keep watching, because by the end, you'll understand how to get started with Oyster and leverage their platform to unlock salaries that help you compete in the global talent market. And stick around until the end. I've got a special offer for you. First, let's talk about why competitive salaries are so important. In today's global workforce, companies are no longer just competing with local talent. They're going head-to-head with businesses around the world. Offering competitive salaries is crucial to attracting the best candidates. But navigating international pay structures can be a nightmare. Different countries, currencies, tax laws, and expectations. That's where Oyster comes in. Oyster simplifies the entire process of offering competitive salaries globally. It does this by providing access to a global compensation database, helping you set fair and attractive pay for your employees, wherever they are based. Oyster's platform allows you to benchmark salaries based on industry standards and geographic location, so you're always ahead of the curve. Let's take a quick look at how this works in practice. With Oyster, you can instantly access salary data from over 100 countries. This means you'll know exactly what the market rate is for a role in any region. No more guesswork or outdated data. You'll get real-time insights on salary ranges for a wide array of positions, allowing you to stay competitive in any market. Another key feature of Oyster is the ease with which it manages compensation structures. You can create salary bands that reflect both global competitiveness and local nuances. Whether you're dealing with a flat salary model or offering performance-based incentives, Oyster's platform lets you set up customized salary packages that are both competitive and compliant with local regulations. But that's not all. Oyster also offers tools for managing benefits and taxes across different countries. By automating this process, you're not only ensuring that you stay compliant with international labor laws, but also making life easier for your employees. This reduces the administrative burden on your HR team and helps your employees focus on what really matters, doing great work. Now, here's the real kicker. Oyster's platform can be used for free. You can start exploring these incredible features with no risk, and even take advantage of exclusive bonuses just for signing up using the link in the description below. This is an incredible opportunity to get hands-on experience with Oyster and see how it can transform your salary offering and hiring strategy. By the way, if you stick around until the end, I'll tell you exactly how to unlock an extended free trial that will give you even more time to explore Oyster's full range of features without any commitments. As you can see, offering competitive salaries with Oyster is simple and effective. By combining global compensation data with a streamlined HR process, Oyster enables you to stay competitive in the market and attract top talent without the headache of complex international payrolls. And don't forget, using Oyster is completely free through our exclusive link below. If you're ready to elevate your hiring game and offer salaries that stand out, head to the link in the description to get started with Oyster today.